Assalamualaikum my dear students. It's phonics time. This is Floppy Phonics book number 5. And what is this? This is strip of sounds. The first sound is h, and the second sound is b, and the third sound is f, and the last sound of this book is f. Which tree is this? This is Oxford Reading Tree. And who is he? He is Kepler. And who is the writer of this book? Roderick Hunt and Alex Brighta. My dear students, today you have to learn sound f. So open your book and look at page number 8. Page number 8. As you know that this is digraph. This is digraph. Digraph have 2 letters and 1 sound. And this is double F. Double F is digraph. And its sound is f. Which sound is this? F. F. As in cuff. F. As in cuff. 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 What is this? This is cuff. Cuff. Repeat after me. Cuff. And what is this? This is list of words. Okay, blend with me. The first word is off. 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 Stiff. If, stiff. In, puffin. In, puffin. In, puffin. And the last word is huff. Huff. What is this? This is coffee. This is coffee. And what is this? This is muffin. This is muffin. And who is she? She is Biff. B-E-F. Biff. And what is this? Which flower is this? This is daffodil. This is daffodil. Okay, my dear students, today your task is you have to trace double F with your finger. Then you have to blend all these words, and then you have to say sounds. Look like me. M, d, g, o, k, 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 a, h, b. Now look at the page number 12. You have to match the capital letters with the lowercase letters and say their sounds. B, f, f, and blend all these words. Blend with me. Off, off, off. At, hat, at, hat. Bag, bag. In, fin, in, fin. Cuff, cuff. And, biff, biff. Best. Best. Okay, my dear students, you have to blend all these words and read aloud again and again. Thank you.